Hey everyone, if Microsoft Word is not saving your files in 2026, like documents disappearing, save errors, or autosave not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Word not saving files step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and check if autosave is turned on. Sometimes it gets disabled and causes save issues, and also make sure you're signed into the correct account. Next, check your internet connection. If you're using OneDrive, Word needs sync to save cloud files properly, and wait for sync to complete before closing the application. Now make sure your storage is not full. Low disk space, including your system drive like the C drive, can block saving completely. After that, try saving the file manually using Save As. This helps bypass temporary errors and save it in a different folder like desktop or documents. Next, check file permissions. If the document is read-only, Word won't let you save changes. Now update Microsoft Word. Old versions often have saving bugs and glitches that break file saving. If it still doesn't work, run Office Repair. This fixes corrupted program files automatically and restores normal saving. Finally, open Word in safe mode and disable problematic add-ins. Extensions can sometimes block saving or cause crashes. So yeah, that's how you fix Microsoft Word not saving files in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your documents will save properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more productivity tutorials for quick fixes.